Hi everyone, in this video we show you how to fix Messenger Notes option not showing on your Messenger app. It's easy and simple, so let's get started. Many of us, when he comes to new features like Messenger Notes, when he go to Messenger, for example, and search for this feature, Notes feature, he's not seeing this option here in this account. Now, how to fix this problem? The first way to fix this problem is by updating your app. Try to go to Play Store like this, then search for Messenger like this. Then, if you see here, when it said open, you see update, click on it and wait until the updating finish. The second way to fix this problem, the second way is by go to a Messenger app like this and go to app info and go to storage, then clear your cache and data from this app. This is the second solution. If still this option not showing, this feature not showing on your app, what you're going to do for the next solution, click on Messenger app like this, open it, then go to the three lines at the top right, then go to this gear settings icon, click on it, then it takes you to this place. Click on report technical problem, then click on report problem, then click on include. Now what you're going to do next, here you will describe your problem or your issue you face with Messenger app. I will write a message, then I will back to you. As you see here, now we're finishing writing our message. The message is like that. Hi Messenger team, I don't have the notes feature in my app. I do everything, I update my app, but the option is still not showing on my account or my app. Please help me to fix this issue very soon. At the end, write this, thanks team Messenger. Then if you want to add a picture describing your issue, more details, take a screenshot, go to your Messenger account, open it and take screenshot, then add it from here, from camera roll, add your screenshot. The second thing you do, what's the problem related to? You must choose one of these categories. For example, this option is related with the chats, for example, or notification. You select these two. If you want to select other, select it like this. Then when you finish, click on send at the top right of your screen like this. Then it's finalizing bug report. Now Messenger team, it will be reviewing your message or your report. Then it will try to fix your problem and reply to you within 48 hours or 24 hours. So this is how to fix or to fix notes option not showing on your Messenger app. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.